Do materials like this, insofar as how Filipino people view or trust VP Sara, have an effect in your investigation?
No, it will not.
May kinalaman ba ang approval sa trust? Kung mas mataas ang trust rating, ibig sabihin wala ng betrayal of the public trust.
Wala po.
So, this is from the Daily Tribune.
Your Honor, please.
No question yet, Your Honor.
Yes,
Let counsel finish with this question,
All right.
and then the lead prosecutor may make her objection.
All right. This is from the Daily Tribune. Okay. And this is the entitled Public Trust Rating. I'll just focus on the green, not the red. No, but Vice President Sara Duterte, it says there 57%. And this was conducted by the Social Weather Station's SWS survey. Okay. Now, my question to you is this. You mentioned that you have an ongoing investigation. Do materials like this, insofar as how Filipino people view or trust VP Sara, have an effect in your investigation?
objection,
Before
Your
the
Honor.
witness answers, lead prosecutor is recognized for objection. What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, the defense is showing a picture of the president and the vice president with a certain rating at the bottom. This has no relevance at all, Your Honor, with respect to the subject matter of this impeachment trial.
I think he
And
has.
we are objecting to the presentation of this picture, Your Honor.
I think it has. Just a short rejoinder, Your Honor.
Kindly allow the lead prosecutor. Are you done, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just a short rejoinder, Your Honor.
Attorney Vinloan is
The
recognized.
witness mentioned the term betrayal of public trust. And we can run the TSN back. Your Honor, of course, we're allowed, this is cross-examination, we're allowed to present controverting evidence to that statement.
The chair will allow the witness to answer despite that there is no date when the survey was taken. Kindly answer if you know, Director Matibag.
Gladly, Mr. Presiding Officer. Alam niyo po, survey yan. And all of us know, or for the information of the public, a survey is just a snapshot of something. It doesn't necessarily follow na yung survey na yan is, kumbaga, nakataga na sa bato. Pangalawa po, may mandato po ang NBI. We cannot be swayed by public opinion o kaya po ng aming personal na opinion. Kami po ay nag-iimbestiga, nababatay sa batas, nababatay sa proseso, at nababatay po sa ating itinakdang mandato base po sa pagtatatag ng NBI.
So the short answer to my question is no, it doesn't affect.
No, it
All right.
will not.
Kanina tinatanong sa inyo, no, yung usapin nung trust rating. Na mas mataas yung trust rating ng Vice President kaysa sa Presidente. Bilang abogado, tinanong sa iyo ito kanina, may kinalaman ba ang approval sa trust? Kung mas mataas ang trust rating, ibig sabihin wala ng betrayal of the public trust.
Well, wala po. Sapagkat sabi ko nga, sa akin pong pananaw, sa akin din pong kaunting eksperyensya bilang isang political advisor din po, yung ating pong mga survey is only a snapshot ng mga pwedeng nangyayari. Alam naman po natin, ang tinatanong dyan, ilan lang o magpipili ng lugar kung saan po gagawin yung survey. Hindi po natin pwede itong maging basihan sa pag-imbestiga sapagkat pagka ganyan po yung ating ginawa, magkakaroon po tayo ng problema sapagkat ang mangyayari sa atin dyan, yung tinitingnan pala natin ay yung numero at without accusing anyone, alam naman natin there are surveys that can be manipulated po.
No, but having said that, kaya ako lang tinanong yon kasi baka yung mga nakikinig nating mga kababayan ay malito dahil hindi ba tamang sabihin na iba yung trust rating, iba yung betrayal of the public trust.
Tama po.
Tama?
Yung trust rating po ay base sa numero dahil sa survey. Yung betrayal of public trust, malinaw naman po yan na nakasaad sa konstitusyon na ito ay isang basihan ng impeachment. At saan po pumapasok ang betrayal of public trust? Pag meron ka pong ginawa na pag-violate, not necessarily criminal, hindi kailangan ng conviction, kundi sinasabi po, pag tinignan natin yung discussion po ng ating Constitutional Committee ng ginawa yan, binabanggit nga po dyan yung betrayal of public trust, yung hindi mo pagtupad sa yung oath of office, that will qualify as a betrayal of public
In
trust.
other words, negative yung trust rating mo o 100% yung trust rating mo, base sa batas, base sa konstitusyon, pwede kang ma-convict. Whether negative or positive trust rating, pwede ka pa rin ma-convict o ma-acquit. Depende sa ebidensya sa usapin ng betrayal of the public trust.
Tama po. Wala pong kinalaman ang survey on the trust rating, kundi kung ano po ang ebidensya na ipinasok po sa ating pong impeachment court.
Maraming salamat.
Yan ang ating Bravo Balita. Salamat sa panonood. Follow at subscribe at like na po kayo sa aming Facebook, YouTube at TikTok channel.